Hello everyone, let me walk you through the demo of Payslip WhatsApp connector in Odoo by BrowseInfo. This application enhances HR communication by integrating WhatsApp messages directly into Odoo payroll. It allows businesses to automatically or manually send Payslip notification to employee via WhatsApp, ensuring fast and reliable delivery. Message history is also tracked in the chatter, offering complete transparency and easy reference for HR teams. So first of all, we will go into the WhatsApp application, open that. Here under configuration, we will go into the WhatsApp business account. Here you can create your new account. I have already created one account in the name of HR Payslip WhatsApp. You need to add the credentials like app ID, app secret, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and access token. After entering all the information, you need to click on test credentials. So here you can see the credentials look good. After this, you need to click on synchronize templates. After clicking on that, you can see here is the smart button for templates and 17 templates has been updated. You can open the smart button and you can check all the templates in here. Now, after this, we will go into the templates. So here also you can see all the templates which we have already synchronized. So we are going to open this HR Payslip WhatsApp template, and here you can see that it is in draft state. You can see it is in applies to Payslip. You can select any one of them. Now we are going to click on submit for approval, and here you can see it is in pending state. After this, we are going to click on sync template, and now you can see that we are going to refresh it and you can see it is an approved state. Now, after all of this, we are going to hop on into the payroll module. Open that. Here under payslips, we will go into the to pay. Here we can create a new payslip. Here I'm going to select one employee, which is Roger Scott. We need to make sure that in the employee, the phone and mobile work is updated successfully. And in here, you can see the work information is also updated to India. Now, after this, we are going to add the batch under the contract. So we are going to add batch for June 2025. And now we are going to compute the sheet. So after clicking on compute sheet, we will go into the salary computation tab. Here you can see in the salary computation tab all the salary in here. Now after this, here you will find a WhatsApp button, and here you can see the template, the phone, and your message which will be sent to the Roger Scott. You can see the details of your message in here. Now I'm going to click on send message, and in the log note you can see that the message is sent to the Roger Scott, and you can see the information in here. You can open the PDF and you can see the salary payslip for Roger Scott in here. Now after this, we will go into here and we are going to click on confirm. So you can see that our payslip is in done state. Here you can see it is in done state, and you can also see that the salary slip for Roger Scott June 2025 attached here, and you can see the state is changed to the done, and also the WhatsApp message will be forwarded to the Roger Scott. Now after paid, you can see that the stage is changed to paid and a WhatsApp message is sent to the Roger regarding that too. If you have any queries about this video, you can ask them in the comment box and we will solve your queries. If you feel this video is useful to you, please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Odoo related videos. Thanks for watching.